Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make old-fashioned strawberry pie. There's nothing quite like a good old-fashioned strawberry pie, and it's actually really easy to make. To start, you'll need 6 cups of fresh sliced strawberries, and make sure you take the green tops off because ain't nobody eat those. And then we're gonna take 1 cup of those sliced strawberries and put them into a pot and mash them up. It'll take just a minute to mash those all up, and then you can set that aside and take the rest of the sliced strawberries and place them all into a baked pie shell and fill it up to the top. And of course, you can spread them out a little bit and make it all look super pretty. Then set that pie aside, and you can even place it into the fridge while we go ahead and put together our filling on the stove. We're gonna add 1 cup of sugar to our mashed strawberries, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, which will be our thickening agent, 3/4 of a cup of water, and then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're gonna turn on the heat and bring this to a boil. Lots of different items are used to thicken pie fillings. Sometimes you use cornstarch, other times you use flour or tapioca or even gelatin. Today we're using cornstarch because it's my favorite way to thicken pies. Once it comes to a boil, let it simmer for 1 minute to thicken up. After a minute, we're gonna remove it from the heat. And then we're gonna stir in 1 tablespoon of butter until it melts. Now you could pour this into your pie right away, but I like to let it cool for an hour before pouring it over the strawberries. I feel like this keeps the strawberries a lot more fresh. After the mixture has cooled, start letting it seep through the strawberries in the pie and let the mixture settle on the bottom. Now, if you don't really care how your pie looks, you could just toss all of your strawberries with this thickened filling mixture and then dump it into the pie shell. But if you want to be able to control how it looks and make it all pretty on top, well then you're gonna have to be patient and just let the mixture run in between the cracks. Then we're gonna let this pie chill in the fridge for about 4 hours. In the meantime, we're gonna make a little bit of cream cheese whipped topping to decorate the top. You'll need 3 tablespoons of softened cream cheese in a bowl. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream over that. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And mix this together. Slowly start increasing the speed and keep on whipping this until stiff peaks form. Then we can transfer all of this whipped topping to a piping bag and pipe it onto our pie. I just give some dollopy swirls around the edges. You are ready to slice and serve. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.